Hey everyone, Jazz here from Sleekr Digital. Are you tired of wrestling with bulky, complex orders? Well, get ready to say goodbye to order chaos and hello to split orders. That's right. In this course, we're diving deep into the world of splitting WooCommerce orders like a seasoned pro. We'll go from understanding the basics of splitting orders and how to make sure everything is perfectly set up in our settings, to mastering how to manage the process, and most importantly, how it impacts your customers. Over the next 4 lessons, you'll learn exactly why and how you can use split orders, how to configure it like a boss, manage all those split orders without losing your mind, and, most importantly, create the best experience for your customers. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to conquer the art of split orders. It's going to be a game changer for your WooCommerce store, I promise you that. Let's jump in.